beautiful. Let's check out the Grand Hotel. 1912, Tito's own personal hotel. He loved this. Again, so early in the morning. Wallpaper, shutters, carpet. Yeah. The difference with this construction is, compared to the others is solid concrete. This is wood. Can't get up there. You have to come down and find an alternative. The remains of an old fireplace. Best part of the day. The sun is just beginning to rise. You can see that. Righty. Wow, it's in remarkably good condition. Ceiling. The quality of the floor still remains. Some of the old doors. Again. Used to be the gardens at once upon a time, I guess. Not many years left in that roof. The original wardrobe and bathroom. Reasonably intact bathroom. With the bath, with the toilet, with the shutters on the glass and a mirror. Room service. Want to come in, sir? So for this particular hotel, there's no real roof access. And I don't think I would probably want to go up there anyway. But it's not like the other hotels. Let's have a look up there, shall we? Bit underwhelming that. Arguably, is it a room with a view? Let's see what's through the oval window today. Same sort of view. Ah, okay. What have we got here? We'll have a little looky up there. Lift. Ah, right. I think we've left the guest quarters and we're moving maybe toward service area. So a bit of a giveaway. White tiles. I've come to learn that this is indicative of kitchen area. So there's a kitchen area, there's a dining area. Extractor fans. Right, found the kitchen. So that was a wall at some point. Probably running along there. Push down. So would have been these the swingy doors. Coming onto into the dining area. No, could well be. Looking at the tiles, lovely finish. Lovely views, lovely vistas of the sea. The sun's beginning to rise, so you know what that means by now. Drone time. That is really that from mortar fire. So we've got the original seating. Yeah, definitely bomb damage, although it does seem to be a concrete structure sitting behind it, which is good to know. With the load bearing lintel, concrete lintel. This didn't fare so well though, did it? And down here we have, I guess, once upon a time, a grand sweeping stairwell taking us down to reception. So I think this must be the 3rd floor. So top floor of the ground. Let's check out one of the rooms. I guess they'll be typical of each other. I'm just having a look which one's probably the least smashed up. Right, let's be lucky. Let's do this one. Yeah, this one was as bad as any. Standard toilet. Small balcony to your neighbours. I think what I'll probably do is try and get some drone footage of these areas. I was thinking about jumping up on the roof, and then I thought quickly not to. One typical room. Again, super peaceful. Again, it's constructed into two. I don't know if you can see down there. There's a crack, a bit of daylight. Not as bad as the Kupari crack. That was big. Let's go down to reception.